Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix sorry we are having trouble signing you in right now. Please try again later and write games. Let's fix it guys. We just need to open up Chrome and search for Warp VPN presenter. Select this site, select the Windows option and download the VPN, and it started downloading. After getting downloaded, you just need to click on it and install it. Select the next option, select the install option. After getting installed, and select the finish option, and now click on the system tray, and you can able to see the VPN listed over here. Just click on it, select next, select accept. Now toggle this to on position. After getting connected, now you can open the right client, and you can log in the right games without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.